First, open taskhug.com. On the home page, click on the Video Tools section. Now open the free video compressor tool. Click on the Upload Video button. Choose the video from your device that you want to compress. After uploading, go to the Compression Settings section. Select your preferred compression level. Low, light compression with high quality medium, balanced compression with good quality high, maximum compression with smaller file size. Now click on the Compress Video button. Please wait a few seconds while your video is being processed. Once the compression is complete, you will see the result, for example, 6.97 megabytes 2.65 megabytes, which means your video size is reduced by 62%. Click on the Download button to save your compressed video. If you want to compress another video, click Reset to start again. Thank you for using Taskhug.
Subscribe now to get access to free tools.